Right there. You see that? That guy knows he's about to be eaten. I can tell. Guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is Sonia and Matt standing right beside me, except he's got his hands into the donut box. If you followed our vlog yesterday, we are here at the beautiful resort, the Cabana Bay or Cabana Beach? Cabana Bay. It's awesome.
At Universal Orlando.
At Universal, we're on property here. It's a beautiful hotel, and actually a brand new hotel, which is pretty darn spiffy. Matt said if you recognize, or if you love Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas, then you would really appreciate this hotel. So we are here back in the hotel room now, and we lugged like what feels 200 pounds of donuts back with us. By 200 pounds, I mean, what is it, 12 gourmet donuts that I'm pretty sure if we eat them, we fall overboard, we're gonna go straight to the bottom, okay? So, but they're like the premium donuts. They have all the kinds. Where is the...
If I die...
Yes?
It's okay.
All right. So if you go down in a blaze of donuts, okay.
Yes.
All right, so this was the flyer for the dozen. And so we're going to take a bite out of every single one.
We got that one? Yeah, this one.
We're going to do the entire...
Flyer dozen.
I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna go with a cream one. The cream one is the Portland cream raised yeast shell filled with Bavarian cream, topped with chocolate and 2 eyeballs. You got eyeballs. What is that? Matt, what's gonna be your pick to try first out of the box?
The summoning donut.
The summoning donut. This is this one right here.
What's it called?
Diablo's Rex.
Yes.
Chocolate cake donut with chocolate frosting, red sprinkles, a vanilla frosting pentagram, and chocolate chips in the middle. Okay, this sounds serious. This sounds serious. Do we have to cleanse the room after we're done here?
Yes.
Holy moly. Okay, all right. Did you already eat into this? You took a bite of mine.
Well, you said we're gonna try it.
Where's the other half?
I ate it.
You ate the other half? Well,
Yes.
dude, we were supposed to eat it on camera together.
It's plus 2.
This is a mukbang of just me, okay? And look, Matt tore my donut in half, but I do see the 2 eyeballs, so at least you didn't eat that part that had the eyeballs, okay? All right, you try yours. I'm gonna try mine. Oh my God.
It's good.
Yeah, how would you know it's good? It's not like you ate it before I ate mine.
It's good. Good.
You see what I gotta live with?
She's so good.
Oh my gosh.
It's so good.
Oh yeah. Those
It's
chocolate chips right there.
Yeah, no, that's what I like. It's good. It's good.
Oh man. It's like a
It's not as good as Boston cream.
dense chocolate.
And I'm not a Boston cream guy.
I got grape and I got orange over here, which freaks me the heck out. All right, shall we just go for the grape first?
Just
because it's closest.
Just rip out the grape.
This thing here, right? Grape donuts. I love peanut butter and.
It's grape. Well, tear it down the side so there's like little bit of sprinkles and.
I get all the sprinkles.
No, you don't get all the
go.
sprinkles.
That's yours.
Notice her house shirt.
Right here. The sorting hat told me. All right, here we go.
No, I could see where it would be good. It's too grapey for me.
I'm not a great person.
I'm a great person.
You're a great person.
But yeah, I'm a great person.
I just couldn't.
Here, let's put this away so it doesn't contaminate.
I'm not into that. It's like
No.
somebody took grape Kool-Aid.
That's exactly what it is.
They took grape Kool-Aid powder and they shook it all over the top of a donut. Why would you ruin a donut like that?
It's just really intense. Universal orange sickle one.
Which also freaks me out.
Well, this isn't on there because this is like the...
Why isn't this on?
Because this is Baker's Dozen. It's supposed to be like creamsicle. Oh, it's creamy inside. What purple?
I'll get used to that.
I guess we gotta go for the Voodoo doll.
Okay.
So he's actually a jelly filled, and he has a pretzel stick
raspberry
sticking
jelly,
See?
chocolate frosting, and a pretzel steak.
Yep.
That's
through
why
his
that's
heart.
sitting there.
Yep.
Oh.
So
I also love
especially
Shrek.
you.
I feel like I'm eating a gingerbread man. You know.
It's pretty ridiculous.
Oh my gosh.
It made me giggle like Pillsbury Doughboy.
All right. Is the raspberry supposed to signify the innards?
Mm-hmm.
Like,
I just giggle like Pillsbury Doughboy.
that chocolate goes so good with that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. I ate his arm.
We're gonna go with the maple bacon one. Maple bacon.
Can you even eat bacon on a donut that's been on a donut for that long?
Yes.
Bacon on a donut. Never had this before. Bacon maple bar. Maple frosting and a bacon. It's really good. This one will be good with a coffee in the morning. Good morning, guys. Rise and shine, it's morning time. Well, we actually let ourselves sleep in a little bit. We didn't get up as early as planned, but we're just easing into the day here. You might have even just heard Matt yawn in the background. Everybody is checking out down below, and we are about to do the same, but we're gonna put something in our bellies before we go, and that being, dun dun dun, the donuts. I've been eating donuts now for like, what, 3 days? 3 days! 3 days eating donuts. I don't know if I ever told you how much we paid for this box of donuts, Matt.
No, don't even say it.
How much did we pay for this box of donuts? Too much? Too much?
To get the donuts, it's like $30 for a dozen donuts.
$30 for a dozen donuts, okay?
Trust me, it's like 15 pounds of donuts.
There's still more. It keeps on going.
This one's called My Captain. Oh, My Captain.
I'm weirded out by this. I'm really weirded out by this because I'm not a dried cereal on dessert kind of person, right? Like I need my milk to soak it up in. So what do you think of this one?
I'd say it's better fresh. These are Cocoa Puffs, yes.
I'm just gonna scrape all the cereal off the top.
The fudge is really good. The chocolate donut's really good. I'd say
it tastes like a brownie.
Yeah, I'd say if these were fresh.
What a mess.
We got a box, you can't see it, but we got a box of donut remnants.
It looks like a disaster.
This one's called Dirt.
I'm trying to tell if it's been infected with the grape or not.
No.
Mine has, I think.
Right.
Oh my god.
This is just a regular cake donut. This one's called a Tang.
It's vanilla cake.
Tang-tastic.
See, I'm not into putting things like Tang on top of your donuts. Maybe I've realized a lot of things about myself right now.
Surprisingly, this is good.
I don't like the grittiness of the sugar.
Now, this should be yours.
M&M's.
M&M's.
Oh my goodness, guys. All right.
No.
Oh my gosh. Guys, this is what?
Yes.
This is life right now.
How much you pay me to just go like this?
This is how I feel right now, waking up after time in the sunshine.
Me too, yeah.
Walking like 10 miles yesterday. My frame of mind. I'm feeling like a box of half-eaten Voodoo Doughnuts. Okay, closing thoughts.
It's an experience. I wouldn't do this every day. But this is an overall to give you the most out there flavors they have.
You get a lot of selection in your box. So we've been eating these for 3 days. So that makes me want to just, as I think about it, I never want to see another donut for a very long time, people. So I'm a creature of habit. Like I know what I like, and apparently I tried that. I went out of my comfort zone, but no, I'm coming back. I just want a regular cream-filled donut. Or just chocolate dipped donut. That's all I need in life. But you don't know unless you try the rest. Yeah. And then you feel better about your life decisions going forward.
it's an experience.
Yeah.
This isn't something that would happen every day.
Would we do it again?
No.
Nope.
Too much money. I would try it again if we had like 10 friends where we could sit there and laugh and like maybe have a beer while we're trying them.
I'd sit over to the side and be like, have at it.
Yeah.
Let me live through you again.
All
right. We're over and out.
So Voodoo Doughnuts, what do we give it? It's not thumbs down. It's not thumbs up. It's kinda,
All right. It was awesome. It was awesome. One more thing that we have added to the bucket list. All right. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.